Hi everybody, so this is my design. I decided to go with May's Happy 01. I got this in May's subscription box. So I just apply 2 coats of this to my nail and cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. One thing I will say, guys, or I will do, is apologise for the brightness of my my video here. I don't know why it's so bright. Need to sort out my lighting, so I do apologise for that. So I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and I cure that for 60 seconds. And then what I do is I get my foils. I've got a foil transfer gel here and I'm just going in the corner, the top right hand corner of my nail. Going for like a summer theme with these nails here. So here is the foil that I'm using. And I just, before I've cured, I cure the foil transfer gel, for 60 seconds. And then I place down my foil on that nail and give it a little bit of a rub. If you miss little bits, then this is what I do. I just go back over it, match it up to the design and just go rub over it a little bit more. And that should do the trick. And then I use my Nail Vision Designer Gel in the shade White and an extra fine detail brush just to apply a little bit of extra nail art to the nail. So then I cure this in my LED lamp for 45 seconds and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And that is my design. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!